Richard, we talk about personal injury claims. A lot of these claims involve low impact, minor injuries. I mean, I would say the bulk of them are that.
Right.
But there are a few claims where, God forbid, a child or a loved one or the driver is actually killed in an automobile accident. Tell me why it's important to have proper representation in the event that there is a death in a motor vehicle accident.
Well, first of all, certainly it's, nothing is going to bring that life back, and no one would want to have a monetary recovery in exchange for someone's life. So it is just such a tragic moment in their life. You have so many emotions, and a personal injury case or a wrongful death case requires a lot of investigation at the very front to make sure that you can prove liability, to make sure that all of the evidence is being secured.
And what if, for example, I'm just going to stop you on this because this is like, you think about so gut-wrenching. If that investigation is not done correctly, what could happen?
Well, you might not get any recovery at all. And when you have a husband or a wife or a child that is wrongfully killed due to the negligence of someone else, the family is going to need to try to regroup and try to replace the lost income, replace, a lot of things in their life. And that getting a recovery for that, or not getting a recovery could hang in the balance.
And what about the recovery itself? Is it always the same? Do they always pay a certain amount of dollars no matter who is killed, or does the value differ?
Well, the value differs a lot, and that's where the attorney can make a huge difference in really digging into the case. I mean, the value of a life is what you're trying to put a number on, and a jury would ultimately do that if you can't reach a settlement. But really figuring out not only the economic loss, the loss of future income, but also the loss to that family in the relationships and the value that person had in that family and in the community.